Best anti-aging serum for 30s. Best face tightening cream and wrinkle serum for natural skin tightening. We all know rice water to cleanse your face to get softer and radiant skin, but today we will tell you about one of the best skin firming cream for face and neck to tighten face skin naturally. It's always been the best to follow natural ways to tighten skin. The flavonoids in rice contain high concentrations of antioxidants that help to neutralize free radicals present in the environment. So this will be the best serum for mature skin to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles around mouth. Although sagging skin face occurs naturally as a part of aging, loose skin on face can seriously impact your self-confidence. Thankfully, there are several natural ways to tighten facial skin and natural skin firming. Whether you try out some facial skin tightening procedures or commit to some best eye cream for wrinkles from market, you can help reverse some of the damage and signs of aging, such as frown wrinkles on face, lines around mouth and frown lines forehead, lines around lips by this best anti-wrinkle serum. When shopping for the best firming face cream for sagging skin or an anti-aging skin care product, look for facial moisturizers which contain best collagen serum for skin. Organic aloe vera serum is very effective for facial moisturizing and soothing. As an antioxidant, aloe vera works hard to combat free radicals. Ultimately, this helps to slow the aging appearance of the skin. So, it will make this a natural anti-aging serum for men and women both to speed up face tightening procedures. Collagen serum for face is essential because it makes moisturized and elastic. Vitamin E oil works to block free radicals from the body, which play a large part in the making of best lifting and firming face cream. If we can fight off free radicals, then we can reduce wrinkles and keep the skin youthful looking from sagging face. Anti-aging skin care routine always helps to remove fine lines on forehead and fine lines under eyes. Best anti-wrinkle eye cream and best under eye cream for wrinkles from market can be only expense than treating those upper lip wrinkles and tighten up face skin. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty.